yeah, this is how to make this transparent acrylic paint more opaque. So I just added more, I added white acrylic paint on top of 3 layers of these. I mixed these 2 reds. So I put 3 layers and let each layer dry. And then when it's fully dry, then that's when I apply this white acrylic paint to make it opaque. There you go. And then I use a ruler to steady my hand. And I'm barely touching that red paint underneath because I don't want to disturb it, or I don't want to accidentally peel it off. So just apply a gentle pressure. Remove those bulky and thick white paint. Okay, and I'm going to print this over black paper like what I did with the previous white. So I'm applying this matte gel medium, which will dry clear and will enable me to lift all this dots on the black paper. So I'm going to use a brayer to spread it all over. Make sure it's evenly applied. Okay, I think it's about time to pull the paper off. Let's see. It still feels a bit wet, but sometimes when it's too dry, then the paper gets stuck. Let's see. Oh, I think it's coming off nicely. Okay, this gel is by Jelly Arts. This is the gel plate that I used. So yeah, I think it pulled off, except for these bubbles. And it also took with it the edges. So what I do is I take this Teflon bone folder so it doesn't mark the black paper. Unlike regular bone folders, when you rub it off, it leaves a mark on paper. So I'm just flattening it, the edges. These are all the paint that accumulated around. So the matte gel medium picked that all, peeled it all off. It does give a nice touch. And you can see how that matte gel medium is on black paper. There you go. Thank you for watching.